Hey everyone, we're Lance Vance Gaming. This is Patreon July 2025, Part 8. We'll be looking at My Mini Factory for D&D Warhammer proxies and figures for your 3D printing needs. The link for these will be down below for you guys as well. And yeah, subscribe, like, and share if you do enjoy the video. And yeah, support the channel. And let's see here. We got Quest Wagon. They do a lot of Sisters of Battle for Warhammer proxies for it. I will actually do a different type of paint job with the hair. A little more grayish than white. But July release. No, we don't want that. I want what? Well, hopefully you guys can see that, but I keep getting that every time I click a picture. Multiple heads. Oh, you dick. We got multiple heads for Sisters Battle. One pose with the gun rifle going up. We also got this thing. I think this is from Trench Crusade. For that, oh no wonder. Armor Knights, but they do have different types of Sisters Battle poses. For it, this is June release. For that. Okay, Moonlight is another D&D minis. This is the monthly one. We're getting Tabaxis, looks like it, and some Tiger Folks. Looks like Beerus is over there. I think I have to go. I don't think you can actually see it that well with that. Let me see if we can get some. Got one right here. It's like Tiger, Panther, Khajiit from what you call it, Skyrim. That's pretty good for Tabaxi's class for you guys. Different Tabaxi. It looks like Tabaxi's Rogue. Yeah, Egyptian ones as well. Let's see here. Pantheria for it. Brotherhood of the Cult. That's from Elden Ring. I think that's from last month for it. So that's the one we'll be getting for this month for it. RN Studio, they have a Patreon version that has a whole bunch of those anime ones and stuff, and they have one just for D&D for itself. They did uh, the gospel. We have the apostles, the 12 apostles, and Jesus Christ on the lion. If you want to print it out and put in your game and crucify Jesus Christ, go for it, or something. I don't know why. I could see it as just you painting it as a marble statue, putting it in your temple in the game. But yeah, that, that's what it is. And here's your welcome pack right here as well. But I have no reason to print that right now because freaking none of my clerics are. All my clerics are atheists. I think. No, one cleric is. I think Tyr. I think his god is Tyr. There's another Warhammer proxy. Usually this is like for Nurgle proxies, but you might find some other proxies for it. It is, this is what they usually do. Son of the Drowns, or uses for Thousand Suns, I'm guessing, especially with the books. But this is Warhammer proxies for it. Let's see here. Welcome, and your loyalty ones as well. See a better picture. Holy crap. Well, yeah, if you're interested in it, go check them out. Primal Collectibles. This is another D&D minis as well. This is July. We're gonna get looks like some Belmont and Dracula. There you go. Got Belmont. Well, they did change a lot of the names for it from Castlevania. Kellen. It looks pretty damn cool too. Stormbolt Dell. They just probably changed the name because copyright. I don't think they want to get attacked by Konami. Vorak. It's kind of cool looking. And anyways, and they give like little extra ones as well. Uh, Conan and stuff like that. Mags Bazgek is another Warhammer proxy, but they do mostly orcs, as you can see. July release live. Looks like we have some kind of a mechanized tank that's shaped as a crab. Looks like it's put together. She looks pretty damn cool. That looks freaking. This looks more like Nurgle than freaking orcs, but yeah, that looks pretty sick. And you get your welcome pack as well. You get the Pain Boys. That sucker's huge, isn't it? That all we're gonna get? I think that's all we're gonna get for them. UGN, if you're into Blood Bowl, this is Blood Bowl. I think we're getting what is that? Wolfguard. I think it was Wolfguard, one of the Space Marine that's it turns into werewolves. It's one of them. Looks to be for Bloodborne. Gotia miniatures that are D&D minis as well. I think a couple of these you could probably make into Zinch from this one, but they look like Harpy Witch. Their version of a Demigorgon. And we got some hags and shamans as well. So the Beast of Inside. Uh, Here's subscriber benefits. A lot of grotesque stuff, and I don't mind it. Let's see here. August support. I'll go with that. Beast Inside. 80. Mad Minis. This is basically you won't get the whole thing till the end of the month. It's usually like sci-fi esque slash gore at the same time. This is last month's uh, ones as well. It's like sci-fi and gore. You might get some stuff to put for your guys' thing, but like I said, it's sci-fi. I can see this going towards battle mech more than anything else for it. But I just got this just in case if someone pulls me to battle mech, so I can make my own. 8 leg miniatures is another Warhammer proxies. They do a whole different variety of ones. I get the Hell Rider ones. So we got a Imperial tank. I don't know which one. I have some Imperial. I don't have a lot. Another one. This thing looks huge. I know they have a huge tank. This looks like a armed corpse shredder. um, this looks like one of the Chaos Dreadnoughts, I would say, but I don't know how you're gonna put that in there. You got your men. This is April, so I'm guessing June. So it's July. So we already got the tank so far. You can take the front off. It comes in so many less pieces. That's good because holy crap, I printed this Stas wagon and it's like a lot. Wild Mesh, they're doing Slanesh right now. So for $10, you can get like port of your Emperor's Children. Then this is the Children of Access they're doing for the thing. This is the what you call it that spider-looking hell. I forgot what's goes on. There's that little half machine, half grotesque creature on top. It's one of those for that's for Slanesh for children or the Emperor's Children as well. You can see a better look of that. That looks pretty cool. Um, Instead of you having to, modify however you can. But yeah, if you want Slanesh, this is actually the best one to get. Slanesh Army and Children of the, and also Emperor's Children as well. I think that'll be it. Hope you guys do enjoy the video. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our page in Discord, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.